Hello, kids. Welcome back to our reading comprehension time. I will read a short story, and after that, you will answer some fun multiple choice questions. So listen carefully. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a forest far away, there was a group of animals who lived together in peace. There was a rabbit, a dog, a fox, a monkey, and many others. They would spend their days playing and eating with one another. One day, a big storm came, and the animals were frightened. They didn't know what to do. The fox suggested that they all huddle together under a big tree for shelter. The other animals agreed, and they all ran to the tree. The lion said, "We need to make sure everyone is safe. Let's do a head count." So they counted every animal in the group and made sure no one was left behind. The dog noticed that the little ones were scared and shivering. So he suggested they all cuddle together for warmth. The other animals thought this was a great idea, and they all cuddled together. As the storm roared outside, the animals huddled close, their hearts beating fast. Suddenly, the monkey said firmly, "We must promise to stay together, no matter what." The others nodded, and just like that, the storm slowly passed. The animals stepped out, safe and happy, knowing they could face anything as long as they had each other. Great listening, kids! Now let's answer some questions. Where did the group of animals live? A. In a city. B. In a forest. C. In a desert. D. In the sea. Who suggested they all huddle together under a big tree for shelter during the storm? A. The rabbit. B. The dog. C. The fox. D. The lion. Why did the lion suggest they do a head count? A. To make sure everyone was safe. B. To see who was missing. C. To know how many animals were in the group. D. To check who was in charge. What did the animals realize as they waited for the storm to pass? A. They didn't like each other. B. They should separate and go their own ways. C. It was important to stick together and help one another. D. They should never be friends again.
Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay curious, stay awesome,